Hey guys, as I've said earlier, meron tayong i-unbox from JG Superstore. So, pinadala nila sa akin to before our trip sa La Union para sumakto yung timing para magamit natin for our long exposure photos later or tomorrow. Kasi hindi ko na maabutan yung sunset. So, right off the box, ito yung binigay ni JG Superstore sa atin. Ayan. So, thank you so much JG Superstore for giving this Christmas package. So, right off the bat, ito yung makikita natin. So, nandito yung content collaboration toolkit. So, as you may know, sa kanila ko binibili yung mga ibang gamit ko for my desk setup or work or camera accessories like SD card. So, after that, ang sabi dito, Dear Jeff, thank you for supporting local businesses like us. We are happy to provide you products from one of our best-selling brands. We hope this will be helpful to you and we hope that you will like it. So, meron silang pinadala sa atin na 2 items. So, isang CPL filter. Ito. Dalawang filter to na merong polar na pagka inikot mo, polar something nakalimutan ko, pag inikot mo siya, pag nag-meet siya in both filters, maganda yung magiging kuha mo sa sky or landscape photography. Pwede mo rin itong gamitin if you're shooting videography and you want to use a wider aperture like f1.8 para magamit mo yung double shutter speed na rule. Kasi as you may know, di ba, kapag ka nag-shoot tayo ng video, times 2 ng frame rate natin. So if you want to use a 24 fps frame rate, you need the shutter speed of around 1/48 or 1/50 in most of our mirrorless cameras right now. And meron din pinadala sila dito sa atin na ND1000. So ito yung pwede nating magamit para sa ating long exposure photos. Meron siyang 77mm thread. So pwede siya sa ating RF 14 to 35mm right now, f4. And also sa ating 24 to 105mm LIS-USM na kit lens when you buy the EOS-R. But right now meron din silang promo, I think, na EOS-R with RF 50mm free if you want to buy the body only. So that's it, guys. That's our quick unboxing of this package from JG Superstore. Now, let's see kung anong tsura ng nasa loob ng mga filters na to. So JG Superstore, once again, thank you for sending this package to us, and let's see later or tomorrow kung ano yung mga photos na makukunan natin. So while you're watching this vlog, makikita nyo yung mga sample photos na kukunan natin. Hindi lang using this filter but also using different lenses or using it in night environment, and yon. So, I'm so excited to unbox this one. Unahin natin tong CPL. So, sa baba siya bubuksan, hindi dito sa taas. Pwede rin, pero mas madali sa baba. So, ayan. Right off the box, ito na siya. Maliit lang siya since 43mm ang kanyang thread. So, magagamit natin siya sa RF 50mm natin pag nag-shoot tayo ng ating videos. So, ayan siya. So, lahat ng mga CPL naiikot siya, guys, para i-adjust nyo yung tonal saturation niya. So, check natin. There you go. Ayan siya. So, naiikot siya. As you can see, ayan. As you can see, naiikot siya. Okay, so that's our CPL filter. So malalaman pa natin yung result later sa ating test. So check natin during our test kung meron bang color casting or nagkakaroon ba ng nagko-contribute ba siya sa pagbawas ng sharpness ng photos natin, or yun nga, merong unnecessary color cast sa ating image, which is ang hirap baguhin when it comes to editing. Again, ND1000 to, so sobrang dilim nito, guys. Kaya makakapag longer exposure time tayo using this filter. tamang-tama sa lens natin for our landscape photography. So it comes with this plastic case, same with the 43mm, but it has a more premium looking packaging. And also, there you go. Kung mapapansin nyo, sobrang dilim ng filter. Itong filter na to ay hindi naiikot, so fix lang. So kapag ginamit natin to, makakapag-shoot tayo talaga ng longer exposure. Syempre, using a sturdy tripod. Kasi with the longer exposure technique or style, konting galaw lang natin sa camera natin, maaring magbago or maaring ma-affect yung image na kinukuhanan natin. So, I'm so excited to use this filters sa ating shoots and sa ating mga street photography. So, see you later guys and stay tuned sa vlog na to.